Alright, here's a rough overlay of an Amazon spring-loaded base. I will post a link to the base. The base is alright. The seat, it has armrests. But TYM 254, pull out the floor pads, 4 12mm head bolts, 3 of those fun little plastic rivets down there. Do the same on the other side. Take off your 3-point drop rate knob, Phillips screw that slips off. And then you can take out the center plastic hump. And there is 1, 2, 3 10mm headed bolts there. Underneath there, there's the fan, which you could replace if you needed to. Pull off all the knob heads, and then there's 4 10mm head bolts on each side. Then there is 4 more 10mm headed bolts there and there, 2 on each side. Then you can remove the whole center pan, and what I did is put the base on there and drilled 4 holes through the base. There is 2, I believe, 17mm head bolts right there and there on that hard coat plate that bolts to the rear end. Then the whole center comes out. Mount the base as you can to that seat floor, whatever it's called. Bolt it back into place after you have your seat mounted to the base. And then there is, I believe there is 6 bolts around the perimeter here that you can mount, that you can remount your seat base and this base onto the spring-loaded base. So to remove the seat easily, take these 6 bolts around the perimeter, take off the whole seat, leave the spring base. Spring base works pretty good. Tighten it down. The harder pluses, more weight, less weight. Love the spring-loaded seat base. The seat has a lot to be desired. Armrests claim to be adjustable. They are not. They flop down, they flop up. Headrest goes up and down, but it's hokey. Seat frame back is only latched on one side, so the whole seat will twist. I don't expect it to last long. It was cheap. It wasn't affordable, so I'll have to replace it. Definitely the stock TYM 254 seat was a lot higher quality, and I'll probably put that back in. But it was here, I tried it. Hope that might help somebody. Actually, let's do a sit in here. I believe I have it adjusted all the way back. I have pretty short legs and a long body. Yep, that is all the way back. 30-inch inseam, puts my controls in a pretty good spot. Arm reach is pretty good. Definitely armrest does not work running the control. This is a sweet 3rd function shift knob from a place online. I will also include their link. Like the seat base, and again, not a fan of the seat.